So, and well, when I flagged this up to you, my favourite bit about this was I flagged it up to you, and straight away you got your crack graphene team on the case,
Yes.
and you came up with. You told me that it might have a specific technology in it, and what was that technology? Because I forget.
So yes, the new technology is not quite what's in Absolute Black's product, but this is a separate one that's been developed by Argonne National Laboratory in America, and it's called nano-diamonds. So if you can imagine, yeah, tiny nanoscopic ball bearings, and what they do is they wrap them in sheets of graphene that are equally nanoscopic, called nanoscrolls, and these then act as I can't say miniature because it's 1,000 times smaller than microscopic at that level, and they form these ball bearings which completely eliminate friction between two surfaces. It's really cool stuff.
Right. Okay. So, how do they make those nano diamonds then?
This is going to be the coolest job in science and technology. You get some graphite and then you wrap it in something called trinitrotoluene, which you may or may not have heard of. Think of the initials in there, trinitrotoluene, TNT. It's an explosive. So you wrap graphite in high explosive, put it in a chamber, and boom, set it off. And out comes nanodiamonds at the end of it. What a cool job that is.
Wow. Honestly, do you know what? It's such a good job that we met. Next time I get another graphene question, you know what I'm doing. I'm coming straight to you. Amazing. Thank you so much, and I'll
Oh, you're
speak to
welcome.
you soon. Cheers,
Pleasure.
buddy. See you
Take
later.
care. Bye-bye.